Want to showcase your awesome data science projects directly on your Wix website? Let's dive right in. First, open your Jupyter notebook. You'll need to convert it to a format Wix understands like HTML. Go to File, then Download As, and select HTML. This creates a web page version of your notebook. Locate the downloaded HTML file on your computer. Now, in your Wix editor, click the Add button. It usually looks like a plus sign. Search for embed code or HTML frame. Drag this element onto your page where you want the notebook to appear. A settings panel will pop up here. You have two options. You can either upload the HTML file to a cloud storage service like Google Drive or Dropbox and then embed the file's URL or. Alternatively, you can open the HTML file in a text editor, copy the entire code, and paste it directly into the Enter Code section of the embed code element. Adjust the size of the embedded area to fit your notebook content. Preview your Wix website to make sure everything looks perfect. And that's it. You've successfully embedded your Jupyter notebook into your Wix website, ready to wow your audience with your interactive insights.